Today's video topic is the pros and cons of eating gluten-free. In recent years, gluten-free diets have become increasingly popular. Many people believe that a gluten-free diet is healthier and can help with weight loss. However, it is important to understand the pros and cons of eating gluten-free before making any significant changes to your diet. What is a gluten-free diet? A gluten-free diet is a diet that excludes the protein gluten, which is found in grains such as wheat, barley, and rye. Gluten is known to cause inflammation and other health problems in people with celiac disease, gluten sensitivity, and wheat allergies. Celiac disease is an autoimmune disorder that affects about 1% of the population and causes damage to the small intestine when gluten is consumed. Gluten sensitivity is a condition that affects people who do not have celiac disease but experience symptoms such as bloating, abdominal pain, and fatigue when consuming gluten. Wheat allergy is an allergic reaction to wheat that can cause symptoms such as hives, itching, and difficulty breathing. Pros of eating gluten-free. 1. Improved digestive health for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Following a gluten-free diet can improve digestive health, reduce inflammation, and relieve symptoms of these people such as abdominal pain, bloating, and diarrhea. 2. Improved skin health. Some people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity have skin conditions such as psoriasis or eczema. In some studies, these people report improvement in their skin health when following a gluten-free diet. 3. Weight loss. For some people, avoiding gluten can lead to weight loss. This is because many gluten-containing products tend to be high in calories and low in nutrients. By replacing these products with gluten-free alternatives, it can help reduce the overall calorie intake and lead to weight loss. 4. Increased nutrient intake. Gluten-free diets often lead to an increased intake of nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and nuts. This helps increase the overall nutrient intake and can improve overall health. Cons of eating gluten-free. 1. Nutritional deficiencies. Many gluten-free products are heavily processed and may be lacking in important nutrients such as fiber, iron, and B vitamins. This can lead to nutritional deficiencies if a gluten-free diet is not properly balanced. 2. Higher cost. Gluten-free products tend to be more expensive than their gluten-containing counterparts. This can be a significant financial burden for some individuals and families. 3. Limited food choices. Eliminating gluten from one's diet can significantly limit food choices, particularly when eating out or traveling. This can be a source of frustration and may require significant planning to ensure adequate nutrition. So in conclusion, a gluten-free diet is the only option for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. While others may benefit from a gluten-free diet, such as those looking to lose weight or improve their health, it can also lead to nutrient deficiencies, higher costs, and a lack of food variety. So it is important to work with a nutritionist to determine if a gluten-free diet is right for you or not, and to ensure that it is nutritionally balanced.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.